1. Tie the bags into knots. Tying the bags into knots is a great way to reduce the amount of space they take up. An easy way to make a knot is to fold them lengthwise and make a simple overhand knot. Once they're knotted, you can store them in your container of choice until you're ready to use them. Whenever you need one, just take out a knotted bag and untie the knot. 2. Fold the bags into triangles for a crafty alternative. Plastic bags can be folded into compact triangles that make them more visually appealing and easy to store. It takes a bit more effort than balling them up or tying them into knots, but turning them into triangles can add some fun to the task. Think of it as a craft instead of a chore. 3. Fold them into stackable squares. Straighten the two handles and lay flat on a hard surface. Fold the bottom upwards onto the top half, and fold from left to right. 4. Roll the bags into a cylinder if you want to keep them all together. Lay several bags flat on a hard surface, roll them into a cylinder, and then tie them together with another bag or a rubber band. This will keep all of the bags together and makes it so you only have one item to keep track of.